Uh-oh. It just froze. I don't know what happened. Hey, realists. I don't know what happened. I think it's back now. Hey, realists, how are you doing? Happy Friday. And, you know, I wanted to say all of this because I wanted to say to every single one of you to not give up on your dreams. Hey, Sirius, how are you doing? Happy Friday. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. If you guys could hit the like, I'd really appreciate it. I want to say to all of you, you know, freedoms is not free. It takes work, you know. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of work to be yourself. It takes a lot of work to be able to have the life that you want, you know. It takes a lot of work. And my personal belief is I'm worth it. I hope you feel that way about yourself. I hope you tell yourself, I'm worth every sacrifice. I'm worth every dream I have. I'm worth all the time that it took for me to shed the tears and to heal so that I could be at a space of peace, so that I could be at a space of joy. You know, there's a lot of people who are adults that they never give themselves the freedom and the space to be their best self, to be happy, you know, as a woman, to be happy as a man. Yeah, all of those things. Yeah, peace and blessings to you too, realists. You're doing amazing, serious, awesome. I'm doing so. I'm healing, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful for that, because about 2 days ago, I could not have said that to you, not even 2 days ago. So to God be the glory. I wanted to say that to all of you, if something in your life is not going the way you want it to go, have enough courage to change it. You know, in order sometimes for us to get all the way free, to get free, sometimes we have to let ourselves know. We have to let ourselves know that I can do this. And I don't know who needs to hear it, you know. I remember having my really sad and dark times where I didn't think I was going to make it through the day because I really didn't have a lot of support. You know, I had changed my whole life. I had cut off a lot of people. And sometimes, you know, doing the right things can be very lonely. You know, having standards, having values, doing the right thing, working, hustling, doing all the things that you need to do for yourself. It can be a lonely road because when you have a lot of people around you, sometimes you could have a lot of people around you, but you'll be burning the candle at both ends. You'll be doing what you need to do for yourself, but then you're doing things for other people that you don't have to do, and they, at the same time, they don't appreciate you. They'll be demanding more. They want more, whether it's your kids, spouse, or significant other, your relative, friends, job, social media. Be careful about protecting your peace. Protect your peace. Protect your energy. Hey, Frank, how are you doing? Welcome. Happy Friday. Appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. We have to protect our energy, right? We have to protect our peace. And there's nothing like it. I don't know how many of you have ever been through it where you have no peace. You have zero peace. You're not functioning well. You're very sad, very discouraged. You may not have a lot financially, but you're still hustling and grinding and doing what you need to do. You know, I always said that I'd rather have very little and have peace than have an abundance in loneliness, in feeling discouraged or feeling sad. I'd rather have little and have peace. I'd rather have little and have joy than to have a lot and to feel sad, lonely, disturbed, okay? Because sometimes, unfortunately, people will do very underhanded and snakish things in order to succeed in this life. They'll backstab. They'll hurt so much people